Today is going to be about some useful built-in functions and methods in Python. Okay, the first one we are going to look at is the min built-in, which finds and returns the smallest value in a list. As you can see, I have declared a list of numbers containing 10 items, and all items are numeric values. I have also declared a list of strings and a simple string. A list is a more advanced data type in Python because it is a group of variables which has the same name, but it can be of different types. Okay, so let's try the min built-in first. Let's say print let's run the program now. -12, because that's the smallest number in my list of numbers. Okay, let's try the max built-in. 100, because that's the largest number in my list of numbers. Okay, so far so good. The next one is the sorted built-in, which sorts a list in ascending order, and it works on both numerical values and strings. So yeah, let's use the sorted built-in, and let's try it with the with my list of strings. Let's run the program. You see, we have my list of numbers in ascending order, and we have my list of strings in ascending order too. So far so good. Let me clear this. Okay, so next one is the sum built-in, which adds the elements of a list and returns the sum. Obviously it only works on numbers, so let's say print sum . 204. The len built-in counts the number of elements in a list, so if we use the len built-in and if it takes my list of numbers as an argument, we should get 10 as a result, because my list of numbers contains 10 items, 10 elements. Okay. If it takes my list of strings as an argument, we should get 5 as a result, because my list of strings contains 5 items. Okay, so string, let's run the program. We got 5. Good. Okay, now let's take a closer look at some list methods. The first one is the count method, which returns the number of occurrences of a value. So, for example, let's count how many S's there are in my string. So, my string, let's use the dot notation to add the count method. And it simply takes S as a parameter, because we would like to count how many S's there are in my string. 2. That's true. Okay. The next one is the clear method, which removes all elements from a list. So, for example, let's remove all elements from my list of numbers. Obviously, it doesn't take any values as an argument. Let's run the program. You see, it's empty now. The next one is the append method, which adds the given argument to a list. So let's say, let's append 102 to my list of numbers. As you can see, the last element now is 102. Okay, let's remove the first element, 56. Now, as you can see, 56 is missing from my list of numbers because the remove method removes the given argument from a list. Now, let's take a closer look at some string methods. The first one is the upper method, which changes all elements of a string to uppercase. So let's try it. It doesn't take any values as an argument. Let's run the program. As you can see, a short string is now uppercase. Okay. The lower is the opposite of upper. The replace method takes two arguments and replaces the first with the second. So for example, let's replace short with long. It takes two values as an argument. Let's run the program. Now we have a long string. And last but not least, the split method takes a delimiter as an argument and splits the string on that. So for example, if we put a slash here and also here, let's use the split method, and it should take that special character as an argument. And if you run the program, you see, actually it converts your string into a list, a short string. Thank you for watching.